Remove all accessories first after receiving the instrument. First, unscrew the 4 screws here. Then take out the back cover of the screen. The 4 holes are aligned with where the screw was just removed. After that, you can tighten it with a screwdriver. This holds the back of the screen in place. Then we wire the instrument through this round hole. Then take out the screen. Insert it into the card slot. Just insert it vertically. And there you have it. Place the screen carefully on the back cover. Then secure the back 4 corner screws. Start by standing the screen up. Then align the holes and screw the top 2 screws. Then lay the screen flat. Screw the next 2 screws. The screen is installed. Next, install the pylon. Remove the screws on the left and right sides first. Then take out our 2 pylons. Align the bevel. Put straight into. Then fasten the 4 holes with screws. There you go. Next, install handle. Open the shell first. Then remove the 4 plugs from the jack. The name of the sticker on the handle corresponds to the name of the jack. Hang the handle first. Then the holes are aligned. Direct insertion. Then tighten it clockwise. If it doesn't move, it's installed. The same goes for the waxing handle. Hang up the handle first. Then the stickers correspond. Then rotate to tighten. If it doesn't move, it's installed. After the handle is installed, close the lid. Next, add water. To add water, unscrew the nuts of the injection port and overflow port. Then connect the funnel to the hose. Just screw it into the water injection. Then add water from the funnel. Water to add pure or distilled water. The water needs to be changed every 3 months or so. Add 4 到5 liters of water. It is full until the spillway continues to drain. Stop adding water and screw on the spillway. Then remove the filling pipe. Plug in the power cord. Main switch on. Now take out the key and turn it on. Insert and unscrew. Red scram switch, flip it to the left. Turn it on. Click to enter the interface. This is the hair removal handle interface. This is the laser controller interface. Enter the hair removal interface first. Left SML/XL. It is the choice of the size of the operating part. On the right are options for manipulating skin tone. In the middle is the selection of the operating position. Click in the middle to enter the operation interface. There are 3 patterns. SHR stack 是盖章模式。Can only adjust the strength of the energy density. Fixed frequency 1. The energy density is generally 30 up. Point ready to operate. Press the handle button to trigger the switch. Click on the light. Check whether the handle cooling is normal before operation. Output 1到5 stamps in a row on the same heating point. Suitable for small areas such as hairline. Operate with a fixed point maneuver. In the process of operation, if the customer does not feel the slight spurs, we can build up power slowly. When the energy is set to a slight tingling sensation on the skin, it is effective hair removal. Click standby after operation. SHR is a rapid hair removal mode. The pulse width and energy density can be adjusted. This is where the energy density is regulated. The energy density is generally 30 up. The energy density increases and decreases slowly according to the customer's capacity. Hair removal with repeated sliding hand heating, suitable for thick dark hair before and after 2到3 times, suitable for removing limbs and other parts. There are water flow displays and cooling controls down here. There's a counter, records the number of cents in a single operation, and the total number of cents. HR is hair removal mode. The intensity of frequency and energy density can be adjusted. The frequency can be adjusted by 1到5赫兹. Energy we generally 30 up. If there is no heat sensation during operation, it can be added or subtracted slowly according to the customer's feelings. Heat ready and you're ready to go. Suitable for thinning light hair. Go back and forth 2到3 times. Hair removal can be done by either a fixed point or a drag. The highest frequency is 5, and the highest power is 100. Click standby after operation. Back to top. Put the handle back in place. Click to enter the laser interface. There are 3 options. On the left is energy. Click on energy, then go to the middle and add or subtract energy. The middle HZ is the frequency. On the right is the spot size without adjustment. The handle is equipped with a total of 5 probes. Non-invasive 1064. Blackface doll. Genesis 532 Genesis 1064. Non-invasive 532. 5 probes for action. Let's install the probe. Screw well and tighten it. Press the handle button to trigger the switch. It is recommended for beginners to adjust the frequency 1到3 at the beginning of operation. Power up to 200. Click prepare and you're ready to go. Press the handle button to trigger the switch. The handle must not face the screen or the customer's eyes during operation. Very dangerous. If the energy is not strong during the operation, you can add power slowly until you can burst the pigment. Red aim at the position to be operated. When working with large tattoos, the frequency can be appropriately accelerated. Just tap standby when you're done. 755 interface operation is the same. Use this interface when installing a blackface doll or A755 beehive probe. 532 interface operations are the same as 1064. Select this interface when using 532 probes. You can adjust the red aim here. We usually don't move and save 5 squares. After the operation, return to the main screen. Put the handle back in place.